Android privacy settings, which most of the people ignore, turn these off settings now. So firstly, we need to go to the Play Store, and at the top right corner where you have the profile icon, click on that, and then go to Play Protect and click on Scan. So this will scan, and if there is any harmful app is there, it will scan and remove it for you. Once you're done, come back, go to the settings first, and then go to security and privacy. Now here, make sure the lock screen is there, account security is there, lost device protection. Almost all phone has the find my mobile feature, which you can turn it on and you can use it in your phone as well. So you can spend some time on lost device protection and you will be able to enable it. The next thing is permissions under privacy. So we need to click on permission used in last 24 hours. You can check for last 24 hours, see which all apps are using microphone, contacts, location. You can check it out like this. And by any chance, if you see any unwanted app, you can simply uninstall it. Now go to the app section, do the same thing. Whatever the apps you're familiar with, that is fine, and see which all permissions they are using it. Once you're done, come back and go to the location, and here check which all apps are using the location service. Once you're done, come to safety and emergency. Click on that, enter the medical info, enter the emergency contacts and emergency SOS. So press the power button quickly 3 times to call the emergency number, and it depends on your phone and country. So you can enable these, it is very important, and you can also update these settings. Once you're done, you're good to go. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.